Good evening, everyone. Hi, guys. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. The fourth and last puzzle in the additional of today's newspaper on Thursday, November the 30th, 2023. And I've also already solved three puzzles: the 3 stars, the 4-star Sudoku, and the binary. So it's time now for the jigsaw Sudoku. Jigsaw Sudoku number. Oh, number 7540. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 16 printed digits. Should be an easy one. Should be an easy one. Because the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one is 16 double. Yeah, double of that number. But it's indicated for 4 stars, and for 4 stars puzzle I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. Is this really a 4 stars puzzle? We don't know, we will see, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always 1. Here, 1 single box, always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? I see here dual box, there dual box. Contains the 1 and the 2. Well, the 2 is already filled in, so this box should be a 1. Here also the 1 and 2. Well, this box can be a 2, so the 2 should be here. The 1 goes there. Next question, do we have here triple boxes? Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Let me check. No triple boxes here. Quadra boxes then. I see here a quadra box. Contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. Well, these 2 boxes can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. And the other numbers could be everywhere. Here, another quadra box. These 2 boxes can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. And the other numbers could be everywhere. My next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this shape first. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box is the same number as that box. Alright. Then the following shape. How about the L shape? Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. Here another L shape. Mirrored. This box has the same number as that box. Here another upside down. This box has the same number as that box. And here another one. This box has the same number as that box. Here, rotated. This box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 1 here. Okay. And the last L shape here. This box has the same number as that box. Oh, right. The L shape. And nope, we have 1 shape left. This shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. By the way, this has the same number as that box, will be also a 2. Okay. Yeah, and those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here only 3, maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 3. of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These two boxes can be 3, so one box left with 3 in this L-shaped area should be there. So 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 2 and 5, 2 and 5. Then I think this box should be a 5 because give me 1, give me 2, give me 3, give me 4. Yes, definitely 5. Then these two boxes can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. Well. Let me think. These two boxes can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. This box, well, these two boxes surround the 4 can be a 4. So one box left for the 4 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and a 5, 1 and a oh well, we already have a 5 there. So it can be 5 here, the 5 supposed to be here, and the 1 goes there. These two boxes can be 1, that box can be a 1, so one box left for the 1 in this area should be here. These two boxes surround the 3 can be a 3, so one box left for the 3 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left, the 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 2 goes there. Well. These two boxes can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be 1, so the 1 goes together with the 5 as a pair. 1 and 5, 1 and 5. And this box is connected with that box, so we saw 1 or a 5. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. Alright. Okay. These two boxes can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 5 anymore. If I place 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those two boxes. So this box should be a 1, and that box in this L-shaped area should be a 5. Is connected with that box should be also a 5. Okay. Alright. And now, these two boxes can be 3. So one box left with a 3 in this area should be there. These two boxes can be 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. That means that this box can be a 3. So the 3 in this area could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 3 there. That means that this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 4. These two boxes can be 4. So one box left with 4 in this area should be here. So 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, the 3 goes there. These two boxes can be 4, so the 4 goes together with the 2 as a pair. So the other pair should be the 3 and a 1, 3 and a 1. Okay. 2 numbers left in this area. One was 1 and a 5, 1 and 5. Is connected with that box, so we saw 1 or a 5. Then I think this box should be a 1. No. Not a 1. 2, 3. No. 1, 3. Well. These two boxes can be 1. Those two boxes can be a 1. So one box left for the 1 in this L-shaped area should be there. These two boxes can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be a 1. Those two boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. No 1 there. Wow. Not easy. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1. Should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. Well, these two boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this L-shaped area. Should be there. Is connected with that box. Should be a 1. Is also connected with that box. Should be also a 1. Okay. Well, can we 4, 4. Well, 4, 4. Need more numbers. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area. For numbers 3 to 4, 3 to 4. That means that this box can be a 4. We have a 4 there. And that box can be a 4. We have a 4 in one of those two boxes. So the only place left for the 4 in this L-shaped area should be there. This box can be 4. That box can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left for numbers 3 and a 4, 5, 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. Here also 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. Well, I cannot place the 3 here because we have a double 3 there. If I place the 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those two boxes. So this box should be a 4. That box should be a 3. Now we have a 3 there. So this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 5. 3 and a 5. We have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Wait. These two boxes can be 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Well, I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. Should be a 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 4. Then... Well. 2, 4. 2, 2. Where's the opening? The opening. This box can be a 1. This box can be 2. So the 1 and 2 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So 1 is left in this L-shaped area for number 3. And this box is connected with that box. So 1 or a 2. Okay, 1, 2. Well. Come on. Come on. Give me 3. Ooh, 1, 4. This box in me 1, 4. The difficult part. Should be 3 or 5. 1 and 4. Come on. 13 minutes already passed and I'm still thinking. 1, 5, 3. So here should be 2 or 4. 2, 4. Well, this box cannot be 2 or a 4. So 2 and a 4 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So these two should be the 1 and a 5, okay? 1 and a 5. Let me think. Come on. This box can be 1, can be 2, can be 4, 3 or 5. This box can be 1 or 3, can be... Well, could be 2 or 4, yeah. Well, this is also 2 or a 4. Yeah. This box can be 1 or 3, 2 or 4. So it should be a 5 then. Yeah. And 1 and a 5. We have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 1 goes there. Is connected with that box, should be so 5. 1 box left in this area for number 1. Then can be a 1. This can be 3. Wow. Come on, come on. 1. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1. We have a double 1 there. Can be 2. We have a double 2 there. Should be a 3. Can be 4. Can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. Okay. So this can be 3 more. Okay. 1, 2, 4. But it's not helping me. It's not helping me. Well, 2 numbers left in this area from us. 2 and a 5. 2 and a 5. Well, we have a double 2 there now. That means that this box can be 2 and more. The 2 should be here. So 2 numbers left, the 3 and a 5. Well, I cannot place the 5 there. We have a double 5 there. Should be a 3. And that box should be a 5. This box is connected with that box, should be so 3. Then. These 2 boxes can be 2 or a 5. We have a double 2 there, double 5 there. So the 2 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, the 5 goes there. So I've eliminated here the 1, so the 1 goes there. So 1 digit left in this area for number 4. Well, these 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this quarter box should be here. Is connected with that box should be so 1. 1 box left in this L-shaped area for number 2. 2 and a 4. Need to wait. Yeah, 2 numbers left. 2 and a 4. Okay. I think this box should be a 3 because can be 1, can be 2, should be 3, can be 4, can be 5. We have the 5 in the same area. Yeah. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this cross area should be here. 2 and a 4, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 and a 4, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 and a 4, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 and a 5, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 and a 5, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. And 2 numbers left in this cross area for numbers 1 and the 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 1 and 3, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here. 3 goes there, finish in 18 minutes. Whoa. 18 minutes. We solved it again. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm faster than 20 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one, yes, I really do. If it's so, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow, Friday, first Friday of the month, speed test. Until then, bye bye for now.